Someone had asked yesterday on one of the Facebook boards in one of the groups how to do a letter in a square to where the letter was cut out of the square. Apparently they were putting it on boxes or something. And so I told her I would do a quick video on that if I had time today. So I've got a few minutes. All you have to do is grab a shape. You were wanting a square, and you're going to be cutting it out of 11 by 11 paper, if I recall. So you want to make this, 12 by 12 paper, but you were wanting the square to be 11 inches. So all you have to do is go up here and put 11 by 11. Then you were wanting to put a letter on there. And just for color's sake, I don't want to look at that black, we're going to make it purple. Okay, then we're going to put a letter in the middle of that. You didn't mention how big it was or anything like that, so I'm just going to grab a letter. Let's go with this one. And we're going to do, or that font, and then we're going to do the letter E. Okay. Now, I don't know how big you wanted these, but you wanted them out of the middle of the 11 by 11 square. So what you have to do, make it the size that you wanted. And then select both of these. And since these are the only two things on your screen, you could just go up here and say select all. Now, if you had other things over there, you would need to select the letter and the square together, and that's all. And there's several different ways you could do that. You could click on, let's unselect them, deselect. You could click on the E, then hold down your control button and click on the square over here in your layers panel, and that has both of them selected. Or you could just drag across and grab both of them that way, and that's going to select them. You know they're selected because they changed into gray over here in the layers panel. Okay, once you selected them, go up here to Align, click on Center, and that puts it directly into the center of your square. Now, because we still have them selected, we're going to slice them. Now, if you don't want this E anymore, then you can just delete it. But you can also go over here and where it says Slice Result, and you're seeing the purple one, just click on the little eye, and that gets rid of it. And then if you click on the other Slice Results with the E, that hides it, and there is your design that you were wanting. I hope this helps you, and maybe it'll help someone else along the way. If you need any other help, feel free to leave me a comment, and I'll be glad to do a tutorial just on what you're needing. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.